Hey everyone, Jared here with JDS Industries, here to give you a few quick common terms used in sublimation. Let's get started. The first and most common phrase is sublimation. Sublimation is the process of a solid transitioning to a gas without going through the liquid stage. A very common thing to compare this to is dry ice. The next phrase is ghosting. Ghosting is the process of a transfer shifting or moving or a product shrinking in the heat press. After it's being pressed and you remove the transfer, you can end up seeing a shadow-like effect. Gassing out will occur when a product or a transfer is not fully dry. During this process, when heat pressing, you would end up seeing the ink streaking from steaming. Mottling is the haze on the surface of a product due to the transfer bonding to it. This is either due to too much time, too much pressure, or too much temperature. Banding is when lines appear on your transfer after printing. This is typically caused by a clogged print head. Banding can be prevented with regular use and maintenance. These are just some common terms that you might hear in the sublimation world. If you'd like to know more information, please contact us at the number below or visit us online. Thanks for watching.